Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1754 of What's She Up To Now, documenting primarily the business journey as I transition from the brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world of business. Traveling, still staying in a treehouse for another couple of nights, tonight for sure, and then going back to Fredericksburg, Texas. Well, I'm still going to produce my content. So today we produce for the BU 365-day challenge our topic. And we're going with the theme No Nonsense November. So every day I'm sharing a life lesson. And today we're talking about what is or has been your biggest life lesson learned so far. Maybe it's with respect to business, education, relationships, whatever it is. If you think about and summarize and look at your entire life, what is the biggest lesson that you've learned? The biggest thing you've had to learn so far? And I shared for me, it's that I need to be myself. And it doesn't seem like something that you'd have to work hard to achieve, but for me and for a lot of people it has been. And then, excuse me, our idiom for supersize your business was under your belt. And it used to mean counting alcoholic drinks, how many things you consumed, and then it was transferred to food and finally became an idiom or an expression that tells us about the experiences we've had, mostly the successes and positive experiences, which is kind of why I like it. So many things focus on the negative. It's nice to have expressions and idioms that are actually counting and accruing positive things. We talked about how we could do that for our business. So that's it for today. If I can help in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. These are going to be short and sweet for a while, especially while I'm traveling.